Hello YouTubers, Eric here with EJ Flooring. We are going to be installing a tile backsplash in this kitchen. In addition to tile backsplash, we're also going to be installing under cabinet lights. We're going to take this outlet off, put our 2-gang box in with a switch, and then we're going to be installing this LED ribbon light. You can see the positive is on the bottom side. I'm going to make on this one, or on the whole thing, the red wire is going to be the positive. And so we just simply put the red and white wire in here. And then I'm using my drill bit tip here to tighten those two connections down. And for this particular cabinet, that's it. To make our 90-degree turn under this corner cabinet, we have a different connector that we use. And so for here, again, we just have to make sure we get our polarity correct. You can see that it slipped underneath those tabs. And then we just simply push the locking mechanism back over. And then we have to do the same thing on the other half of the connector for the other strand. And you just have to make sure you grab the right end and put it underneath. Just like that. And there's our 90-degree bend. On these LED strips, the really cool thing is they have a self-adhesive tape on the underneath side. We've got a couple of marks of where we're putting the light strip. We've already pulled the backing of the tape off. So from there, all we have to do is just line it up and put it on our mark, and then just push it against the bottom of the cabinet. And then that's it. And then this half of the light strip is installed. We have learned too, it's best to not follow the face of the cabinet in the corners on these angles. What happens is it pulls the light too far away from the corner on the tile, and then it just makes that corner a little bit darker. Cutting the light strip to length is actually pretty simple. I'll zoom in here. You can see the little scissor mark, and you see that repeatedly. We just have to find the closest length to the cabinet that we're using. We just cut right on that line and trims it up, and there we go. So we have our under cabinet lights up. You can see the light that it gives off. We're going to turn it off again. I mean, this is what it was before. Very noticeable difference. I mean, it's a simple upgrade. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the subscribe button. Remember to ring the bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Stick around and check out the next suggested video coming up after this clip. Thanks for watching.